Cuisinart SM-70C. Locking mechanism's no good. Let's have a look. The following procedures were completed single-handedly. Viewer discretion is advised. Here we're using a Torx T20 bit, and you'll want to have a good set of lock ring pliers, or a lot of spare time. Remember, safety first. Here, you can see the location of the lock ring. Here, you can see the tool I used to remove it. At first glance, I thought I should just weld on some additional metal, and that would help keep it locked. You can see where the metal has been flattened out from long-term use. I looked online to try and find parts, but all I could find was accessories. I wonder why. After taking it apart and looking at it, and remembering I know not how to use my welder, I realized that a quick squeeze in the vise was all the part needed. You can see there is still little play in the part, but it's a great improvement on the way it was before. Time to put things back together. All done. Let's try it out. Good enough for me. Thanks for watching.